Yo guys, in this video, we will teach you how to install mirror caps for BMW X05 G05. This is our new design replacement giant carbon fiber mirror caps. We will use this print tool to remove the original mirror caps so we can replace our new mirror caps. First of all, let's break a little gap in here and then print it off with our print tool. Please remember, do not print with brute force. If you can't break apart it, just try to print it again. Just like this original mirror cap will be removed. The first thing we notice is these 4 buckles. They correspond to these 4 positions. Another thing we need to notice is this waterproof sink. Corresponds to the waterproof sink of mirror cover. Note that there will also have waterproof sink on the side. Firstly, we align the buckles at the bottom. After positioning, them correspond to the waterproof sink on the side. After the correspondence is completed, go to the corresponding waterproof sink above. Make sure all the pins line up. After that, you just need to push it gently. Finally, check if the 4 buckles at the bottom are locked tightly. After confirm that, all done. That's all, our installation is finished.